In my earlier videos, one of my earlier videos, I had mentioned the importance of riding gears, why you should wear it, and also give a review of the gloves that I wear. And I myself don't have gloves now. So let me get my gloves. Wait, let's kept it here. Yeah, here it is. Don't ask me why I kept my gloves in the what is this, plants. Personal reasons. Okay, so these are my first Royal Enfield gloves. I guess I'm obsessed with Royal Enfield's lifestyle products. I even like the Royal Enfield bikes, but I'm scared to buy one after hearing the complaints of RE owners. And there are very few chances of any issues coming up in your lifestyle products. And even if there's any issues, you can get them exchanged. And I won't have to deal with the RE service center. Okay, jokes apart. I really like Royal Enfield's lifestyle products. These are my first, and I also have a jacket, RE jacket, which I'll be reviewing soon. Let's get riding, and I'll show you my new gloves as well. These are my first Royal Enfield gloves. This is Royal Enfield Rambler V2 gloves. I've already made a video on it. I'll add the link to that video in the description, and you guys can check it out. It's a nice day today. I hope it doesn't rain though. Even if it doesn't matter because I have my Royal Enfield waterproof gloves. So this is Royal Enfield Blizzard gloves. It's like completely waterproof. I bought these for monsoons in the month of June, and I have been using it since then. These are CE certified, and let's get straight to the protection it offers. It has PVC knuckle protectors. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. RE usually uses TPR knuckle protectors in their gloves, but in these gloves they have used PVC as this material is waterproof. I've used these in heavy rains and also dipped my hand in the bucket of water, and my hands were completely dry. So the waterproofing is really good. On the palm, they have given 3 mm rubber sponge for impact resistance, and same protection is provided on the 3 fingers. I don't know why they have missed out on the thumb and in the index finger. Also, adding to the safety feature, a reflective material is used on the fingers and also on the RE branding, so this really works well. In terms of comfort, accordion stretch panel is provided on the fingers and above the wrist for free movement. Elastic cuff makes sure that the gloves fit you well. This is provided on your wrist. I also like the leather RE branding, which is provided on both the gloves. On the thumb and the index finger, conductive leather is used so that you can use your cell phone while wearing the gloves. The material used on the palm and the fingers is micro suede, and there's also a micro suede patch below the fingers for extra grip. On the thumb of a left hand glove, a PVC wiper is provided to wipe the water droplets of the visor of a helmet while riding in the rain. This might not seem important, but riding with droplets of water on your visor obstructing your vision can be difficult. The rest of the glove is made of polyamide, which is waterproof and stretchable as well for maximum movement. I bought these gloves not just for monsoons but also for the winter, as these gloves come with winter liner inside. I know that winters in Mumbai are not so severe, but in the mornings of December and January, it can get really cold, and I mostly ride in the mornings. So riding at those times with summer gloves is not fun for me. Now, coming to the cost, this gloves retail at 3,750, which is quite expensive, at least for me. But I got it for 3,375 as I bought it from Amazon and there was offer going on. but I had gone to the store before and I checked which size fits me well, and then I bought it from online. So this the one that I bought is medium size. It fits me well, but it's little loose on the fingers. This is because of my slim body structure. So I would recommend you to go to the store and check which size fits you perfectly, and then you can buy from wherever, online or offline store, as per your preference. This is definitely not my last Royal Enfield lifestyle product. I wish to purchase the Royal Enfield riding pants and hopefully a Royal Enfield bike as well in the future. But that's only when my YouTube grows. So therefore हाथ जोड़ के मैं मोदी साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ. So guys, hit the like button if you like the video. If you liked what you saw, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on motorcycles and riding gear. Let me know your thoughts about the gloves, and if you have any questions you can leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them. Share the video with your friends and family. Share it with as much as people as you can, so that I may buy a Royal Enfield. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe, ride responsibly, and don't forget your helmets. Goodbye. Let these people pass, then we'll shoot. Introvert problems.